Well, good evening, Mike Bass back again with another forecast for this May the 25th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Saturday out there so far. Hope everybody has a great Saturday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about your forecast for Sunday and Monday. Also, the weather radar currently across the nation as well. Also, the Watch and Warning Advisory map. Also, the Storm Prediction Center severe weather outlook for your Sunday and Monday. So stick around to the entire video. Do not miss a beat of this forecast. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and make sure you subscribe one more time if you have not subscribed to my channel yet. Alright, let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see we got a little bit of shower activity up here in the portion of New Brunswick, in the portion of Newfoundland, back in the portion of Maine, also in the coastal waters. Shower activity over in portion of Montana, North Dakota, back in the portion of Wyoming, a little bit over here in Washington, Oregon State. Mixed precipitation there as well in Washington State. Mixed precipitation in portion of Montana and also in portion of Wyoming. Also, we got thunderstorms and showers from North Dakota through South Dakota, back into Wyoming, Nebraska, down to portion of Louisiana, Mississippi, to the Carolinas, all the way back up to Delaware, to Massachusetts, Connecticut, back over to New York State. Across the bridge of southeast Canada, and also into portion of Minnesota as well. In the yellow slashed area here, we have a big area of severe weather from portion of Texas to Arkansas to Indiana, Ohio to Kentucky, Tennessee, portion of Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas, Missouri. Slashed area, we have some heavy rain and flash flooding from portion of Missouri to Tennessee to Kentucky to West Virginia to Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, region, and region that is also down into the Gulf of California, much of Mexico, well, all of Mexico that is, portions of Texas into Georgia, southern South Carolina, Florida, Yucatan Peninsula, Jamaica, and a little bit in northern Maine and northern portion of New York State as well. All of this activity for your Sunday, May 26th. Alright, let's move on to your Monday forecast now for your Memorial Day. This will be Memorial Day forecast. Back to Mississippi, portion of Arkansas, and the Texas region as well, all the way up to portion of Ohio, Michigan, portion of Wisconsin, also Minnesota, back in Iowa as well, also a little bit in South Dakota. We have some flash flooding, heavy rain over portion of Pennsylvania and portion of southern New York State. And also in the east, severe weather possible in this region. Otherwise, rain showers also in Washington State. Otherwise, dry high pressure in Washington, Oregon State, California, Gulf of California, much of Mexico, Yucatan Peninsula, Jamaica, Cuba, the Bahamas, much of Florida, Florida Keys. Alright, all of this activity for your Monday, May 27th. Alright, let's move on to the weather radar currently across the nation. East of areas of Kansas, also a little bit in portion of Colorado, scattered activity there as well. stretching all the way back in the all right, we're still waiting on these. At the end of Pennsylvania, we have a flash flood warning, flood advisory around the Raleigh area of North Carolina. Special marine warnings off the east coast of Florida. There's that severe thunderstorm warning in South Florida, Illinois, also portion of Arkansas, portion of Missouri, eastern portion of Kansas area as well. We have tornado watches in portion of Colorado. We have river flood warnings up here in portion of Iowa and also right along the Missouri, Minnesota, North Dakota border. Also down in the portions of Arkansas, Louisiana, East Texas. We have for you guys in Oklahoma, West Texas, also much of New Mexico, also eastern Arizona. Ongoing severe thunderstorm warnings here in areas of New Mexico. Also frost advisory across portion of Minnesota and also north of southern Montana. Northern Australia, that's special weather statements to the north, and along coastal areas have some flood watches there as well. All right, storm predictions center time. Let's see. All right, as you can see, we got general thunderstorm from portion of Watertown all the way down to Columbia, South Carolina, Charleston, a little bit around Fort Myers and Miami, all the way back to Waco, and then far north is Bismarck, also Grand Fort, Fargo, and also up toward Glasgow, Montana. Also, we in the green here we have a marginal risk standing from Detroit down to maybe around Greenville, South Carolina, Atlanta, Georgia, Birmingham, Greenville. Just east of Tulsa, also Lincoln, you're included. And if you're in the slight red, this includes Kansas, Springfield, that's where Little Rock, Memphis, Jackson, Chattanooga, all the way up toward Fort Wayne, Chicago, and Pierre, you're included. And the enhanced risk area, this includes Nashville, Bowling Green, Evans, Louisville, Cincinnati, Indianapolis, Springfield, Hannibal, St. Louis, Jefferson City. You're included in the enhanced res list. Alright, the significant area will be in the 10% risk area. This includes St. Louis, Chesterfield, Missouri, Belleville, Illinois, University City, Missouri, and Oakville, Missouri. And if you're in the 5% risk area, you're including Indianapolis, Memphis, Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, Cincinnati, Ohio, Louisville, Kentucky. And let's take a look at Chicago, Detroit, Columbus, Kansas City, and Toledo, Ohio. And the 5% risk for a tornado. Nashville, Tennessee, Indianapolis, Indiana, St. Louis, Missouri, also Louisville, Kentucky, also Lexington, Fayetteville, Kentucky, Springfield, and Louisville, Kentucky area. 15% risk. This includes Chicago, Memphis, Kansas City, Fort Wayne, Little Rock, Arkansas. 5% include Detroit, Michigan, Columbus, Ohio, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Atlanta, Georgia, and Toledo, Ohio. That's for damage and winds. And let's take a look at the large hail. Alright, significant area, 30%, including Nashville, Tennessee, Kansas City, Missouri, Louis, Missouri, Springfield, Evansville, Clarksville, and Springfield areas. This is a significant area for golf ball to baseball size hail. Also from Chicago, Ohio, 15% risk area. And the 5% include Detroit, Columbus, Milwaukee, Toledo, and Lincoln areas as well. Alright, let's move on to day number 3. Alright, here's the day 3 Alu. This is from Rochester to Buffalo, down to Columbia, South Carolina, Charleston, Dalton, Mobile, all the way down to San Antonio, Austin. Slight risk over Raleigh, Charlotte, Raleigh, Roanoke, Richmond, Virginia Beach, Washington, D.C., Baltimore areas. Would not be surprised this here could stretch down a little bit further, maybe down into South Carolina, maybe even into Georgia later on. Right now they're just going here, but I would not be surprised this here shifts a little bit further to the south, may extend into portions of Mississippi and Georgia and South Carolina. So I would not be surprised to see that. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Everybody continue to stay safe and well. So enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Like these videos, share these videos, and we'll catch you back and have a wonderful, wonderful Saturday evening, folks. Take care.